In this video, I will walk you through a detailed coldcoupons.com review to see how this site stacks up against other digital key platforms. When comparing cold coupons to traditional storefronts, the most striking contrast is the price point. While most sites offer a slight discount, here the focus is entirely on free game codes for major upcoming and current titles. For example, looking at the contrast between sports titles, you can find a free digital code for College Football 26 compared to NBA 2K25, which has already seen 52 uses today. The trade-off for these zero-cost offers is a manual verification step before the full code is revealed. The site features a standout variety, ranging from Resident Evil Requiem for consoles to PC-specific keys like Hytale. If we look at the comparison between high-demand action games, Monster Hunter Wilds currently has 300 coupons left, whereas Civilization VII has a much larger stock at over 600. One of the best features for mobile players is the inclusion of in-game items, like the 20 free remote raid passes for Pokémon Go, which holds a perfect 5-star rating. Whether you are looking for Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 or a Steam key for RuneScape Dragon Wilds, the platform provides a clear look at how many people are using each deal in real time. Cold Coupons wins for the budget-conscious gamer who doesn't mind a quick verification process to unlock high-value titles for free. That wraps up our look at these digital deals. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more site reviews. Drop a comment below letting me know which game you managed to grab.